Good morning, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Quante, and over here you get a little bit of this and a whole lot of me. So today is Wednesday, it's hump day, and I decided to just pick the camera up this morning and just start recording. I don't know if this is going to turn into a day in the life or what this is going to turn into, but it is 5:15 a.m. right now. I just took Teddy outside and I am getting myself prepared to log into work at 6 o'clock. So my normal shift is 7 to 3:30, but today I have plans this evening around 4:15. So I was like, let me get up, get my day started early, that way I can clock out earlier and still have time to get ready for my evening plans. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me today. Hope this is something that you like. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, then girl, what are you waiting for? Like, I would love to have you. In my most southern voice, I'd love to have you. So yeah, come along. Go on, click the bell down there, the bell notification, so you'll be notified whenever I make videos. Your girl is trying to get this money. I'm trying to get monetized. Ain't that what y'all over here for? Y'all watching to help people? Help your girl out. I would appreciate it. So I think usually I'm not even on front. I will leave my hair wrapped. Sorry y'all, hold on. Okay, sorry y'all. I'm not even on front. Usually I would leave my hair wrapped. Like if my hair is straightened, the last couple days I've been leaving my hair wrapped up during the daytime and then unwrap it. But because I haven't been anywhere, I've been in the house. I don't know why I feel like my sinuses are draining and I don't like it. So I think I know I'm gonna unwrap my hair for the sake of the video. Like, y'all don't want to see me with my hair wrapped up all day, do you? You already don't know what I have on the bottom. Y'all don't know. You don't know. So my hair has been straightened for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for 5 days now, and it's becoming very flat. My my natural oils have started to come in and move down the shaft of my hair, and that's fine. So since I got it silk pressed and left it bone straight, I'm thinking that I might put some flexi rods in it this weekend, just for a different look. And if that doesn't turn out right, then I'm gonna put it in a bun. Just not necessarily a bun, well, like a top knot. Look what my my scarf has done. It's a knot under here. It's like a bump and it hurts. And I know that it's the do-rag, because when I tie it and I tie it in the front and I turn it around the back, I sound so nasally. Y'all excuse me in this. Have y'all ever tried dry shampoo? That's a valid question. Have you ever tried dry shampoo? Now, I know that may not be for us, but it's a good question, because I'm wondering if the dry shampoo will just remove the oil from my hair but keep it straight. Let me know if y'all tried that. Let me know how that worked. Is that an option for us? I'm interested to hear. I am interested to hear. So yeah, I kind of want some tacos, some breakfast tacos. It's cold outside though. It's cold outside, and that would mean that I would have to leave the house. Do y'all make up y'all bed in the morning? That's about as good as it's gonna get for me. Like, make my coffee. Get started. No, I don't want to do that. So the time now is 6 o'clock and I am about to clock in and get started on my day. I may go get tacos on my break though. This coffee is good.
Hello.
Hey.
Morning.
What you was doing up 6 hours ago?
I just couldn't sleep, girl. I don't know what's going on with me. When you order iced coffee, say, will you turn it upside down, please? And they mix the drink together. Otherwise, they're not going to mix it. You have to mix it yourself.
Did I get Starbucks in that vlog? What's that?
You did. You had nice coffee at the beginning.
Okay, because I'm like, what is she talking about? What is she talking about?
I'm talking about your drink.
Oh, see, you didn't tell me that when you gave me instructions the first time.
I forgot.
Because I was like, this shit ain't mixed up and I need a straw. I had motherfucking chopsticks in my car.
I saw that and I was hollering. Worried about that.
Okay, y'all, so it's lunchtime and I just got a notification from the parcel locker that I have a package that was delivered. So I'm gonna go around there, keep my package. Y'all hear Teddy, he is excited to be outside. Let him pee. Go pee pee. Go pee pee. Go pee. Too excited. Think somebody gonna leave him. He can't even jump up in the car. Fat self. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Woo! Yo, it's cold out here. What is the 50 degrees? Ooh. So the parcel locker is on the other side of the complex, and I don't know why they just didn't put it in the... Did I get a text from them? I think I did. Ooh, yeah, it's in the locker. Y'all be so funny to me when he like gets comfortable and then he be like, let me sit down. See where my mama taking me. I would leave y'all in here with him, but I'm going to take you with me. Oh. So this is my Target order, and it's a part of the Black History Month. If you guys have not purchased for the Black History Month, go on Target and support. They have a lot of the items are special made by children, like the designs and things like that. So I got this sweater. Girl, hold on. Now, this might be a little too little. It says, when they go low, we go high. You guys know that this is a coined phrase from Michelle Obama. It actually just looks short. It's not though. And this is what it looks like. I'm thinking I may wear this to meet Fred. Let's see. I still have 15 more minutes on break on lunch. So I'm gonna put y'all down for a second. I'm just gonna sit on the couch and just look out the window. Hey y'all, it is 2:30. 2:30, which means that this work day is over. So now your girl gotta find her something to wear. So I think I'm going to wear some jeans with that sweater and my thigh boots. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna wear. So cold outside. When I tell y'all that I have not been able to warm up all day, I'm talking about literally all day. All day. Just cold. Feet just cold. Can't keep no socks on because the little one keeps snatching them off. Like, bruh, leave my stuff alone. My hair is so... Do I want to put it in a ponytail? It's so crazy because it's still straight, and yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. So I'm actually sitting here trying to decide if I'm going to put on a little face or something. I think I might put on a little bit, just a little bit. I mean, I need to go to Walgreens also and get another 330 for my Fit Me, because this is my winter color and my summer color is a few shades darker. I ain't this shade no more right now. So I need to go get my winter shade so that I can look like something. I really don't feel like doing this though. What time is it? 2:30. I need to see how long it takes me to get there. So yeah, let me get my face together right quick. I'm gonna listen to some music, so y'all probably won't even see this part. All right, y'all, so you just got in the car and we are going to brunch. Oh. Not brunch. Where we going? Happy hour. We're going to happy hour, not brunch. I hope I get a good parking spot, because oh, she did take a lot of pictures. I like her. Okay, y'all, so I made it to happy hour with this one.
You heard me? I don't know what this shit is. I'm gonna drink this shit.
So we got these.
This shit good though. Man, that shit good enough.
It's really good. It's in, what is it? It's Douce, but what is it though? Like a daiquiri?
Man, like Douce, like a frozen Douce drink. Fuck this shit up.
They got nats. So
I said, man, too early. I said, he said, hell yeah, I'm coming. I said, it's at 4 o'clock. They said, 4. What the fuck you off? You talking about nigga, come on.
I left my what's the name in the car, my stand. Okay. Lamb chops look delicious. We ain't got no silverware? I left my damn thing in the car. I'm gonna sit this bitch up. We need forks. So our food looks delicious. Except all these goddamn stems in my greens. Definitely not my grandma greens. With all these goddamn stems.
Man, the grandma just called dreams. Not dreams.
Why don't I pick them dreams all goddamn day?
We got a slow movie. Oh, it's a big ass thing, baby.
It is, ain't it?
We will play game.
Them all good though. Hey, hell yeah they are. They seasoned.
Yams in the hell too.
Got one.
Hey.
I know, right? Need a side. Hey, no.
What they doing this shit?
I don't know, but they
I can't
season.
even play what the fuck in it.
They season as hell.
That shit fine.
So y'all, what's your recommendation?
5 as hell. This
So
shit,
what's your rating out of 10?
motherfucker 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10. It was so good. Everything was good. We have no leftovers. We ain't got shit left. Motherfucking bones and gristles. We ain't got nothing. We ain't got nothing left.
This it. I ain't gonna lie, so strong on this shit. So, hey, make sure I didn't roll that neck.
That's how you know you ready to take the clothes off and lay down.
Hey, and we take it the whole year tomorrow.
So I must say that dinner was absolutely delicious. There were no leftovers. And the only reason why I'm leaving now is because my parking just expired. I just got a text message saying that my parking expired. Fred is trying to get me to come to his house to drink. If you know Fred, then you know how that's gonna go. So I happily declined because I got homework to do. and I've already been bullshitting all week, so I gotta go and do what I gotta do. So yeah, Snow after party over at Fred's house. I told him that's a weekend adventure. He told me that I was playing. He was like, go on, go to your car, move your car. No, I'm going to my car and I'm getting in it and I'm going home. So yeah, that's where I am now. Let me show y'all.